Good morning. How are y'all doing? Today is February 22nd, and I decided to go for a walk. It's windy really bad, and it's finna rain real bad. It's drizzling, but yeah, I decided to go for a walk this Sunday morning. I got on my walking outfit, and I'm going for a walk. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing this morning? It is getting so dark and cloudy out here. But yeah, I'm just going for a walk because I want to get up in the morning and just go for a walk in my neighborhood. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what are y'all doing today? Bye. As you can see, the sky is now it is raining and it's real dark and windy outside. Like I told y'all, it's really dark and it's windy and it is raining. So yeah, it's dark out here and it's raining. This is the chicken that we cooking on the grill. These are the greens that I cooked last night. With bacon in it.